with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him.
Hello, beautiful people. So we are checking in with you guys. I'm on my way to my nail appointment for my birthday, so it's kind of like part 2 of the birthday glow up. I first did my like facial and all of that, and I did that like a few weeks ago because, you know, it takes time to like settle in and everything. And so I feel like my skin is nice and glowy and stuff, and then we've been working out way before then and even now more consistently, so that's also part of the glow up. But now it's like all of the like outside, not that the face isn't, but just like, you know, the more visual thing, and then we should be set. Okay, so I'm gonna focus on driving. Okay, we're here. I should have read the parking directions, but I don't think I'm gonna take my camera up, but I will like vlog on my phone all the results, and we'll check in when I come back.
It's really bad. It's really bad. How are you doing? Hi, how are you?
Hello, I am so happy. I love my nails. It's like a first that I'm walking out of a nail shop that I've gone to for the very first time and absolutely in love. Like, look. No more because it's fall. We don't want to waste alcohol. Cheers.
Just as long as you stand by me.
Okay, so we're gonna go in. I will show you the cafe and turn the car off so people don't think I'm leaving. Make sure I had moosed this down because these braids are old and they look crazy. And I gotta figure out, my car is like overheating because of the AC and it's really annoying. So I need to go get that fixed, but I think we're set, so let's go in.
$100 on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
So change of plans. That cafe had no seats. Wait time was ridiculous, as you can tell, like no one was leaving, and it wasn't that big. So I ended up leaving and then going to a Korean barbecue spot out here called Bulgogi Hut, and it was really good. But I wanted to stay on the healthier side, so I just ordered a bunch of protein and 8 veggies and ate the rice and stuff. But we're gonna head home. So it's about that time. I'm gonna start heading out to my appointment. I just wanted to show you guys my set. So this is the Lulu set that I bought. I got the pink and then the Align pant. I was taking a picture. Well, since I turned on the Christmas, since I turned on the camera, I'll just show you guys my fit. So I do have a new hairdo. What is new? I got a half up, half down deal with like 26-28 inch hair. It is wavy hair and some of it's naturally wavy, and then I crimped the rest. Then I also added in some Bellamy extensions because I wanted the back to be really full. And I mean, I still could add some more, but I think we're good. So I put some light makeup on, just some concealer, eyebrows, and some Aquaphor lip gloss, and then try to slick down the baby hairs. A lot of it's caught up in here, but that's cool. Then I have this cargo jacket from Amazon, if you can believe it. And then I'm wearing this like tank top that's like a low v-neck and kind of cropped, that I got a really long time ago at Morning Lavender. And then some Aritzia wide-legged jeans, and then I'm gonna wear my Crocs. I'm gonna wear my platform Crocs with the little rhinestones on it. I didn't tell you where I was headed. I'm going to a music festival. It's a food and music festival in downtown LA, and it's like jazzy, almost kind of like ambient music. So honestly, I've never heard of any of the performers, but I did just want to go for the vibes, and my friends have bought tickets, so I bought a ticket just to go and enjoy and have an experience. So really excited to go. Oh, and the earrings are from Marjorie. But let's see, to show you guys the fit. And I still have to check online if I can take this. This is my Lululemon like crossbody bag. So it's empty right now. I'm about to check right now to see if I can take it. That's Allie, don't mind the mess. I'm actually gonna leave it nice and cozy for her so she can sleep. I feel bad leaving her so she can sleep on the blanket. I usually like fold it and put it away. So this is the fit. Nice and comfy. And I feel nice and stylish and like put together. So I'm very excited about this fit. I'm excited to be comfortable. Okay, cool.